Okay, a friend of mine came this week and asked me to make a stand for her plant. The problem was that her plant was drying out too fast because of the heating in the floor. So she is thinking of some sort of stand to lift the plant a little bit off the ground. So let's sketch a little bit. So she was thinking of something really simple.
Like 4 legs, and that's it.
But I'm not sure if that looks okay with this kind of shape. With the cylinder, it might look okay, but I don't think it looks okay with this shape. So I think even more simple shape would work, like 3-legged stand. Okay, I will try to draw it. I think that might look just a little bit better. I have some leftovers from another project, so I think that's a perfect spot to use it for the legs. I will go with the flat stock for the triangular joint, and with the round stock for the legs. So I will explain a little bit what we've done already. I've made a few strips, cut it at 30 degrees, but against each other, cut the biscuit joint, made a custom biscuit, and jointed everything with a polyurethane glue. I find it the best for the butt joint because it expands and goes into every little spot and rivets. So it's the best for this kind of purpose. So it's done. Really simplistic, really easy to make. You don't need to have all kinds of tools to accomplish this. It can be done with the hand tools only. I think it's a really wonderful project for the present. Thank you for watching.